Hello guys, welcome to my channel राजमोर कंसल्टेंसी। सो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एम्फेसिस, जुबिलेंट फूडवर्क, एटीजीएल, ओबेरॉय रियलिटी एंड क्वेस्ट कॉर्प। सो ये एनालिसिस फॉर 26/7/2021 जो कि आने वाला मंडे है। चलिए बात करते हैं एम्फेसिस की। डेली चार्ट बीएससी लास्ट ट्रेडेड प्राइस वॉज 2526.5 rupees and percentage gain is plus 5.39%. So it is in a uptrend and showing here a morning star pattern and gives here a breakout. Now we will talk about its RSI. Its RSI is 79.04, which is in strength, which gives us a buy signals. Now we will talk about its MACD. MACD line is above signal line. Now we will talk about its exponential moving averages. So here you can see 5 DEMA is above 13 and 26 DEMA. So now we will talk about its Bollinger Band. It is above upper band, which gives us a strong buy signal. So now we will talk about its pattern. It is in uptrend. Its RSI is 79.04. MACD line is above signal line. Exponential moving averages 5 DEMA is above 13 and 26 DEMA. Bollinger Band is above upper band pattern. So overall result is here is a strong buy signal. Now we will talk about Jubilant FoodWorks Limited. Daily chart BSC. Its last traded price was 3569.55 rupees. Its percentage gain is 4.08%. So here you can see it is in a uptrend which is forming higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and here it gives a breakout previous high. Now we will talk about its RSI. Its RSI is 75.17. Now talking about its MACD. MACD line cuts signal line here. Within 2 days it gives us a very big volume to us. Now we will talk about its exponential moving averages. So 5 DEMA cuts 26 and 13 DEMA from below here, and also the 13 DEMA cuts 26 DEMA from below and gives us a buy call. Now we will talk about its Bollinger Band. The pattern is forming above Bollinger Band. So now we will talk about its MACD. MACD line is above signal line. Exponential moving averages 5 DEMA is above 13 and 26 DEMA. Bollinger Band, it is forming at upper band pattern. So overall result is there is a strong buy signal. Now we will talk about ATGL, means Adani Total Gas Limited. So here you can see it is in a downtrend, which makes here a lower high and lower low. and it is keep going down. It is in a down move. So now we will talk about its RSI. Its RSI is 34.90, which is very low and have very less strength, which gives us a strong sell signal. Now we will talk about its MACD. MACD line cuts signal line from below and it gives us a small buy call. Now we will talk about its exponential moving averages. So as you can see, 5-day MA is below 13-day MA and 13-day MA is below 26-day MA, which gives us a strong sell signal. So now we will talk about Bollinger Band. It is forming below average line, which is also giving us a sell signal. Now we will talk about its pattern. It is in a downtrend and down move. Its RSI is 75.17. MACD line is above signal line. 5-day MA is below 13-day MA and 26-day MA. Bollinger Band at upper band. So overall result is there is a strong sell signal. So now we will talk about Oberoi Realty Limited. Daily chart BSC, its last traded price was 698.45 rupees. Its percentage gain is 3.02%. So its pattern is it is in a uptrend which is making higher highs and higher lows continuously. And now it is in a down move. Its RSI is 60.92, which is in a up move and showing the strength. Now talking about its MACD. MACD line is above signal line. Now talking about exponential moving averages. 5-day MA is above 13 and 26-day MA. Now talking about its Bollinger Band. It is above average line making pattern. So there is a uptrend and down move. Its RSI is 52.68. MACD line is above signal line. 5-day MA is above 13 and 26-day MA. It is forming at upper band. So overall result, it is a strong buy signal. Now we will talk about Quest Corp Limited. Daily chart BSC. Its last traded price was 797.80 rupees. Its percentage gain is 2.77%. So it is in a sideways trend as you can see here, and now it is at support and it shows a up move. Now we will talk about its RSI. Its RSI is 52.68, which is showing a strength and can be goes up. Now we will talk about its MACD. MACD line is below signal line, which can be cut signal line from below. Now we will talk about its exponential moving averages. So 5 DEMA is about to cut 13 and 26 DEMA here, and 13 and 26 DEMA both are merged here. So which can be gives us a anticipatory buy call. Now we will talk about its Bollinger Band. So its Bollinger Band lies on average line, which gives us a anticipatory buy call. So its pattern is sideways trend. It is at support and showing a up move. Its RSI is 52.68. MACD line is below signal line. 13 DEMA and 26 DEMA are merged. 5 DEMA is about to cut from below to both the DEMA. Now talking about Bollinger Band, it is on average line. So overall result is there is a anticipatory buy. You can buy some shares of this stock. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and join my Telegram channel Rajmore Consultancy. Link is in the description. Please check on.